Man, bro, we are over wolfing right now, bro. We on a 9 weeks long wolf, bro. I'm looking real rough right now, man. My waves, I got struggle waves right now, okay? Struggle waves. I ain't got no waves anymore. I'm losing my waves. Feel like Bobby Brown, bro. Today, that all changes, bro. We're gonna get this cut. And by the way, you gotta get your hands on the 216 Wavy Butter Moisturizer and the pomade, man. They're some of the best wave products that I've ever used, that many wavers have said they ever used, bro. But they're running out, man. You gotta go ahead and cop them before it's too late, man. You know, 2.6 I think his grandma or his mom makes them. So yeah, it's limited stock, bro. Go buy them before it's too late, you know what I'm saying? So you gotta wait a little couple of weeks to get them, bro. But link in the description for my promo code. Use MANJ15 for 15% off. And you know, every 26th of the month, there's I think there's a 26% off discount code. So make sure you go ahead and take advantage of that, man. See y'all in the barbershop. Ah. Alright, we out here. We just got the cut. We got, what's your name? we got Red Monkey Man over here. Alright, see y'all in the car. Alright, that was a cut. And once you get a fresh cut, that is the best time to make progress, yo. The 2 weeks following your fresh cut, bro, you can literally break like 3-4 forks if you really put in the work. So watch this video right here to learn how you're able to make superhuman progress after you cut your wolf. Thanks for watching. I very, very much appreciate all the support you guys do. Thank you for buying the merch. Thank you for just supporting the channel. Thank you for even leaving the nice positive comments or even just leaving a like on the video, man. Love y'all. God bless. Hi.